Right then, let's just whack a bit of water on this. And just go to town a bit on with the sky. I'm painting on the back actually. I've just tried to do this scene and it was rubbish. So I've decided to just turn it over and then I was too slow. As always, when I try and paint too slow, it just looks rubbish. So I'm just seeing what this can look like now. So I'm going to stop thinking about it too much. And ideally, try not to talk as much either, because it's just easier when I'm not talking. I know it's not ideal. When a painting doesn't work, I have to sort of go back to basics and just do what comes naturally, which is just whack it in 100 mile an hour without thinking about it. I've got some big mountains up there. I'll paint over some of this, that's coming out too sharp. I'll paint over some of these. They're a bit too big, too prominent. Bit of green on there. Just whack a bit of green on it. Bit of water in the sky. I don't know why I'll put that red in. A few trees over on the left. Just pop the things in first and I'll just come back and faff around with them in a minute. want something dark in there because that's where the cabin's going to go. So if I just whack that in. Just get this flat first. Big cabin there. Bit of green below it, and that just juts out something like that. Also got a bit of land on this side as well. It sort of comes right over. A few things up like that. A hint of colour on that roof just to stop it looking so white. Right, let's give it a salt liner. Really dark now. I want these to stand out against the other stuff that I've put in. A few little trees on this side. There's another one going up there. A bit stronger. I think I'm there or thereabouts. So as I say, I did, in fact I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you in a minute what I did. The original's on the back. It was just, I reached a point where I thought, this is rubbish. So what I'm going to do now is, a few little birds in the sky. I'm just going to sign this one and call it finished. So let's take a closer look at that one and see what it looks like. So here's our finished painting. So sky, very much a case of just whack it in and just try and go with the flow and see what the paint's doing. Various colours. I went through pretty much the whole of the palette, coming right down to those mountains there in the distance, scraped in with a card. Would have preferred them a little bit more subtle than that, but that's a worry. Then we've got this tree line that cuts across, just using this corner of the small hake, putting the reflections in at the same time as we go along. You see our little cabin there, just scraped in with the card, and then a few little fence posts as well. And then come down, whacked all these reeds into the foreground as well, using the sword liner. Apologies, I've got the sun blasting through the window there. I'm going to have to sort something out with that. And then our little birds. So that was the sort of second result. So if I just show you what's on the other side. I got as far as that and thought, this just not working. It's not working. It was too slow and deliberate. There was just didn't have that oomph. So I sort of tried it again, went up a couple of gears, and much prefer this version. So thanks always for watching. Many thanks to all the patrons. Patreon.com/Stephen Cronin. Very much appreciate your support and goodwill. Very much appreciated as always. If you've got any questions, please ask. Keep practicing, and I'll see you again very, very soon.